I need to get one of those. I need to get one of those lenses that does like a fisheye looking thing, the optical delusion or whatever.
What in the world? What happened?
No. Oh man. It's old and crumpy. That thing came from, don't pull that out. That thing came from, the pin came out. This thing came from Trader's Village like back in the early 80s.
Whoa.
Early to mid 80s.
The 80s?
Yeah,
How
the 80s,
I can't
dude.
go down anything.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, that's because it's got all the weight on it. That's not good because now the... Watch out, cat. You're going to get smashed. Yeah, don't let it out. It'll just blow stuff everywhere. Okay, you got to slowly let that thing bleed down. Okay, hold on a second. Let me turn it. Let's see. Yeah, that's what he said. Take two. Now we're making some progress. And no, the 318 is not going in there. This engine's out. I paid for the new one today. They're going to pull it out for me. Doing a little extra work over here on Isla's. It's got a 6-volt, charging it up. We went to Harbor Freight. Boom! Got me a 1.5 ton lightweight jack. A few other little odds and ends. I got me some brushes from Harbor Freight. Hey, what all did I get at Harbor Freight?
I don't know, but do you think they should have some more oil or whatever in it?
I got some C-clips and some E-clips. Two of my wheels are falling off the other jack. Hold on a second, dude. I bought a whole bunch of stuff at Harbor Freight. Batteries. What all did we get?
Those brushes.
Oh, we got sandpaper. Because I got to finish polish my crank, so I got some 500 and some 1,000 grit sandpaper. And that's about it.
I think this needs more
Got
stuff.
a bunch of other stuff, but I can't remember. Another light. Let's see. Everybody needs bright lights. Lots of lights. What's that?
I think this stuff needs more stuff to have just like, see how it's like it's hard or whatever? Like, so there's like nothing. And then it takes a while, and then see now it starts getting pressure.
Well, dude, that seal that was in there looked rough. And whenever that thing popped out, the little seal that was in there. We sell those at Harbor Freight too. 129 bucks or something. You get a crane, or I'll get a little kit and rebuild it.
Isla! She just went outside.
It's okay.
Is that Isla?
Yeah. It's probably gonna work perfect. Possibly.
I'm gonna lower it a little bit.
There we go. Now I can let her down. And we can get to tearing this bad boy apart. Boy, we got projects on top of projects. Careful, Daddy Pig. Careful, Daddy Pig. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Oh yeah, I put new wheels on my battery charger too. One of these wheels was snapped. Harbor Freight, thank you very much.